How to fix sleep modes not working after Android 15 update in Moto G17 power. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear clock app and cache. Open setting. Scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app search, clock app. Now click on clock. Scroll down, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, clock will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option, click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix sleep mode not working after Android 15 update in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.